M1 Finance is a user-friendly investment platform that allows you to create custom portfolios and automate your investments. Here's how to use M1 Finance. Sign up and fund your account. First, create an account on M1 Finance by providing personal information and completing the required KYC process. Once verified, link your bank account to fund your M1 account. Create a custom investment pie. M1 uses a pie structure where you can allocate percentages of your investment into different stocks, ETFs, or a combination. Choose from over 6,000 stocks and ETFs, or select pre-built pies based on your financial goals or risk tolerance. You can add or remove assets and set how much of your total portfolio each stock or ETF should represent. Automate your investments. Once your pie is set, decide whether to invest a lump sum or set up recurring deposits. M1 Finance automatically allocates your funds based on your pie structure. Rebalance your portfolio. M1 Finance allows automatic rebalancing, ensuring that your investment percentages stay in line with your goals. You can also rebalance manually if needed. Monitor and adjust. Track your portfolio's performance and make adjustments if needed by adding or modifying your pie.